Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Oracle Cloud Compute for VPS and networking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Oracle Cloud website at cloud.oracle.com. Look for the Sign Up or Start for Free button on the homepage. Click on the button to navigate to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email address you have access to. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Next, you will need to create a password. Ensure your password meets Oracle's security requirements. After entering your password, click Create Account. Check your email for a verification message from Oracle. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Oracle Cloud page. Now, fill out the personal information form. Provide your first and last name, company name, and phone number. Select your country or region from the drop-down menu. Read through and accept the Oracle Cloud Terms of Service. Click Continue to move forward in the registration process. You will now be asked to provide billing information. Enter the required credit card details for verification. Do not worry, Oracle offers a free tier for new users. Once your billing information is submitted, click Verify. Now, you should be taken to the Oracle Cloud dashboard. From here, navigate to the Compute section. Click on Create a VM instance to start setting up your VPS. Choose an operating system that fits your needs. Select the shape, which determines the resources allocated to your VPS. Configure additional settings like networking and storage options. Choose a virtual cloud network or create a new one if needed. Once all configurations are completed, click Create to finalize your VPS setup. Your VPS will now be deployed, which may take a few minutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.